fly away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to 86 Ambrosia. It's your girl Jen. That's with one J and two N's, and this is my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here and this is your first time ever clicking on a vlog by your girl Jen, welcome and thank you so very much for clicking on that thumbnail that brought you into this new everyday luxury featuring the GG Thong Sandals by Gucci, the Web Thong Sandals by Gucci. Now, first things first, before we even jump into this vlog, guys, I am on a day 5 of a wash and go. If you missed the vlog when I shared with you my recent big chop journey where your girl Jen cut her hair, I have it pinned up, you know, on both sides, giving you a little bang in the front. Make sure you check that vlog out, especially if you're natural and you're like at the end of your rope. I was definitely there. I had to cut it. I had to because so first things first, guys, let's get into the packaging. So of course, if you've been rocking out with me, you know that I like to get a card to myself. And here lately, I have been writing on my cards, go out now, go out and be cute. So in this envelope, I have a card to myself, and I also have my invoice, you know, with all of the information about my purchase. And also if I need to return, that's what's in here. I have this gorgeous green box, of course, with this burgundy-ish red ribbon. And of course, this is emblematic of the 100 years of the House of Gucci. So this is their new packaging design. It's on the inside of the box. It's just absolutely beautiful. I have several boxes up top my pack system that are green because I got them when they changed over the packaging. So let me unbox this and let's see what these thong sandals look like, because I promise you they are super cute.
I ain't trying to bother. Moving me in all the right ways, waiting for the signal. I wanna go down, and watch it fall down, down. You give me the green light, speeding like there ain't no stop sign. My eyes set on the prize, yeah. I wanna go down, I wanna go down. But damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own it. You can have my last name if you want.
So now that we have unboxed these gorgeous Gucci thong sandals, the GG Web Thong Sandals, let's get into the design of these and also the comfort level. So the very first thing that I want to know about this shoe, guys, is that it's heavy. And when I say heavy, I know that with the thong sandal, you really do depend on that big toe and then that second toe to move the shoe, right, to lift the shoe. However, when I say heavy, I'm talking about in the fact that it's well designed. It's a very nicely structured shoe. It does have some weight to it, but in walking in these and trying these on, guys, I did not have any discomfort in terms of this shoe is too heavy to move. So as you can see, the first thing that I love that attracted me to this shoe is the fact that it has the GG emblem that is on the inside. It's embossed on the inside of the shoe. I really love that. The other thing that made me want these particular Gucci thong sandals as opposed to the other ones they have, because they have them in white, they have them in black, and they have some other colors. The thing that I wanted about this one was the traditional GG thong sandal. I didn't want anything that would mimic being a dressy thong sandal or one that looked like I was going to be wearing it more like to the pool or to the beach. So this was the exact one that my heart was set on. Love that it has the green and red web design, and also on the inside of these straps, or on the inside of this part of the shoe, is actually leather. So this is what I mean when I say that the shoe, although it's a luxury thong sandal, it is made very very nicely. Now on the back of the shoe, they gave you some padding. Okay, I didn't get this padding on my GG Princeton on Muse, and I didn't get this padding on my Oron sandals. Both of those sandals on the bottom, or those mules in those sandals on the bottom, are made out of leather. Here they've given you a lot of padding, which is very, very nicely, because in my mind, Gucci said, okay, this is an everyday shoe, right? This is an everyday luxury shoe. This shoe needs to be able to wear and wear again and wear some more. So if I'm putting this shoe on to run everywhere I need to go every day of the week, this shoe needs to be able to last. Another thing that I love, guys, is that you get the gold and the silver GG on the front of the sandal. I think that is so cute. I think that's very classic, because not everybody's a gold and not everybody's a silver, and then some people like to do both. I'm sorry, I must admit I am a gold girl. I like all gold accessories. I don't think I own anything silver, but that doesn't take away from the design of the shoe whatsoever. And I'm just so super excited to have these now in my possession, to be the perfect sandal for me for spring and for summer, for vacations, for going to the airport. Like this sandal, I'm so excited to now have this in my possession. Now the exact specs on the design, the thickness of the sole, the measurements, you know, all of that stuff will be left down in the description box. But I do want to go ahead and say, before I put them on my feet so that you can see them, is that I got these Gucci Thong Sandals in a size 39. I had to exchange my Orons, which is also an Italian made shoe that I got in a size 39. I had to up those to a size 40. So it's safe to say that I can go with a 39 in Gucci, whereas I'll have to do a 40 in Hermes. It's safe to say that after having tried on now 3 pairs of Gucci shoes versus 2 pairs of Hermes shoes. All right, guys, so I have dropped down, took the camera off the tripod in order to try these shoes on so that you can see what they look like up close and personal on my feet. As I'm trying them on, I'm noticing something is happening. It's a pattern that I'm finding with these Italian shoes, which is that my right foot is slightly, maybe by an inch, maybe not even an entire inch, bigger than my left foot. So what I'm seeing as I'm trying these shoes on right now is that my left foot fits perfectly into the shoe, but the right foot, the heel, and then the bottom of the shoe are meeting right there at the edge, and so it's not giving me any room. So should I not be walking fully in the shoe or something to that effect, it's going to appear that the shoe is too small. So what I'm going to have to do is the same thing that I did with my Hermes shoes, which is just to exchange them. Since spring break is coming up in a matter of a few days, I'm just going to actually hang on to these. I'm not going to put them in the mail to exchange them. I'm just going to visit the Gucci store in Buckhead and actually try on the size 40s and then make the exchange in store rather than sending them back. But guys, I really hope that you've enjoyed this GG Thong Sandal try on and unboxing, as I'm bringing you yet another luxury unboxing. Make sure, guys, that if you've enjoyed this vlog, you smash the like button. And also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead right now and smash the subscribe button, because of course, I'd love to have you as a part of the 86 Ambrosia family. Until my next vlog video, guys, I will catch you in my next vlog. Bye, guys.